Imagine waking up in one of the most comfortable, bright, and breezy ensuite rooms with the Warwick air kissing your face. Sounds a bit dreamy, right? Well, let us introduce you to Westwood Student Mews, an ideal accommodation in the beautiful city of Warwick. Start your day with a warm shower in your private bathroom and head to the fully equipped shared kitchen to join your friends for breakfast. With their fully built study area, unique floor space, and lots of storage, you won't feel like stepping outside the comforts of your room. Westwood Student Mews is one of the best places for a student as it is equipped with modern kitchens, Wi-Fi with lightning-fast speed, on-site laundry, games, and simmer rooms to make your stay convenient. Head to the hub if you wish to use the on-site gym, entertainment areas, social spaces, and study areas built with comfort in mind. Students of the University of Warwick, WMG Warwick, and Warwick Business School can enjoy the free shuttle bus service to these universities. If you're a student of Coventry University, you can easily use public transport to commute. Rooms are getting sold out. Visit amberstudent.com to book your dream stay today.